Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study again mathematics about measures of central tendency of ungroup data, grade 7. The problem number 1 is about a group of teachers in the school of Bacoor conducted a study on the number of absences incurred by their students on the first 2 quarters of the school year 2020-2021. A random sample of 15 students showed the following data: 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. And the questions here: find the mean of the data set. To find the mean of measures of central tendency, we have to add all the given sample data. Then we have to divide it by the number of samples. So the number of samples is 15. And now we're going to add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9. The x bar means the x bar is the mean, equals to 94 over 15. Then we're going to divide it 6.27 or 6 because we're going to round up because we're talking by a certain person. There's no half naman sa a certain person. That's why we need the whole number. Therefore, this means the average number of absences incurred by a 15 student is 6. Okay, number 2, next problem. Find the median if the sample data are the following. The sample data given 12, 9, 6, 7, 4, 5, 7, 7, 9. The first step in finding the median, so we have to arrange first the given data. And it is different from the mean. The mean is the order of arrangement is not necessary. But in median, we have to arrange first the given sample data. That's why the arrangement now 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 12. And this step 2, we have to use the formula n plus 1 over 2. And the given sample is 9 plus 1 divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2. That's why 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Step 3, determine the number 5 position of a number in the ordered data set. So the ordered data set natin is 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. The number 5 is number 7. So therefore, the median is number 7. This means 50% of the observations incurred less than 7 absences, while 50% incurred more.